ambassador in Lagos State. She has always identified with the success, growth, and indeed development of this wonderful state. Though her husband is no longer sitting atop the highest seat in the state, she still remains very, very prominent, identifying with all the good things the state has to do. Please welcome with me, Mrs. Ndubuisi Kanu. You're very welcome. And I'd like to quickly recognize the Honorable Commissioner for Women Affairs and Poverty Alleviation in the Center of Excellence, the State of Aquatic Splendor. I'm talking about Lagos State, the cynosure of all eyes in Nigeria, Honorable Lola Akonde. You're very welcome, ma'am. Thank you for being here.
That is indeed very honorable.
Also,
we welcome you.
The Commissioner for Local Governments is here with us, Honorable Muslim Folami. You're very welcome, sir.
A fine gentleman, a father indeed, a man of great respect, and a man who keeps to time, and a man who has flair for integrity and honor. Alhaji Folami, one more time, we say thank you, and we appreciate you, sir. You're welcome.
I'd like to recognize and welcome Mrs. Folashade Adesoye. You're very welcome, ma'am. Thank you for leading us in the appropriate way and being a worthy example for us.
The head of service, we say, beautiful mother, thank you for today. May God continue to be your guide and guard. We appreciate you. We say welcome.
Member of the Lagos State House of Assembly, who is also the Chairman House Committee on Judiciary, is also here with us. Please welcome Honorable Adefumilayo Tejuosho. You're very welcome, ma'am.
A distinguished...
A notable Nigerian, a woman that has a voice that just must be heard. She is indeed a woman that has filled very many gaps in her life, a lawyer, an activist, a mother, and indeed a dear friend to very many people, a mentor, a role model. Please welcome, with a round of applause, Mrs. Ayo Obe. You're very welcome, ma'am. Thank you for being here this morning. We appreciate you.
She needs no introduction. She's the vanguard on the face of what is right and what's not done right.
Talking about a woman, role model, who has continued to mentor girls and children, females generally in Lagos and indeed Nigeria as a whole. She is the founder of the Fatima Foundation, herself the Iyalode of Lagos. Please welcome with a round of applause our mother, a mentor, a role model, and indeed a woman of excellence, Chief Mrs. Bintu Fatima Tinumbu, the Iyalode of Lagos. You're very welcome, ma'am. Thank you for being here. We appreciate you.
A very distinguished mother, a face of the Tinumbu family.
Traditional culture in Lagos State, the white cap chiefs representing the Eleko of Eko himself, Kabiyesi, Oba of Lagos. We recognize you, all the white cap chiefs. We say welcome to you all. Kabiyesi, you're very welcome.